top of the morning to you. We're just getting breakfast, and then we're gonna head out to the Athabasca Falls, just outside of Jasper, and then we will maybe go to Jasper to a coffee shop, and we'll see what we find.
Day 2. This is our turn going to Athabasca. Those are the mountains, and look at that one there. It says Athabasca Falls. Going left. What's Wabas? Have you been there before?
No.
This is where I was crawling the last time we were here. It's so icy, right?
Oh yeah, that's right.
I was crawling. I'm like, my God, I can't. I was crawling there, guys. We're walking there, and he was laughing at me. He's like, my God, Dinah.
I don't know where I'm gonna find a spot to park.
Oh my God, look at that. So many people. People everywhere. Everywhere you go. Lots and lots.
Everywhere you go.
Everywhere you go. Yes, people on the go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah.
Look at this guy double parked.
Yeah, it's like 2-car parking, right? Oh, that truck is leaving.
I'm not waiting for that truck. There's a bunch of cars behind me. There's a spot there.
Where do you want to go?
There are places to park. I don't need to park right here anyway. This is where everybody wants to park. Right up front. It's so annoying.
Because we want a Rockstar parking, right?
Well, guess what?
No Rockstar parking?
No, I'm just going to go in the back because I got a big vehicle and the ass is going to be sticking out anyway.
He is so grumpy.
I'm not grumpy. People annoy me. Want to park up front all the time. See right here, La?
Where? Where? Right here? In
Right.
front of this guy? Huh? No, you can't park
No,
there.
Right there.
Where? Right there?
Right there.
Where?
You'll see.
So he is parking. Is that our? That's a road. That's not a parking area. You just blocked the way.
Life sucks. Okay, ready?
Okay, I stopped it. I think it stopped. I need my rain jacket.
right, so we just got done visiting the Athabasca Falls, and just trying to stay out of people's vision. And pretty wet in some places, but lots of people with masks on and stuff because of the COVID situation. What do you think, Dinah?
Well, it was beautiful down there, so you guys must visit Athabasca Falls when you're in Alberta. It's one of the best places that you can visit in Alberta. And we'll see you next time on our next trip. Bye!
Bye.